The XY Profit Organization, otherwise called XYO Organization, is a gadget gathering and approving geospatial information or data that has geological parts. Area reference points are utilized related to the Web of Things and cell phones to accomplish this. Approving geospatial information is a significant piece of the convention. We should check the XYO cost expectation made sense of here exhaustively. The trustless cryptographic area network gives layered area check across gadget classes and conventions. Another cryptographic system called verification of beginning and bound observer is joined with blockchain innovation and true area-based information assortment to shape XYO organization. XYO stands to make trustless, decentralized frameworks or area profits. XYO digital currency permits engineers of the brilliant agreement and blockchain framework to interface with the actual world like a programming interface. The framework attempts to furnish precise subtleties with the assistance of a bunch of reflections. This arrangement of deliberations decreased the dangers of area mocking through a chain of zero information confirmations. The people group of XYO digital currency was laid out in 2017. XY Labs is the group behind the XY organization. The designers intend to instruct the world about the upsides of an impetus-driven geospatial area organization. Elements of XYO. XYO can empower clients to send off into a convention of associated gadgets which gives exact area data the assistance of a chain of the cryptographic convention. Clients can start exchanges called inquiries. Questions are utilized for recovering area information from any blockchain with shrewd agreement usefulness. Aggregators will address the inquiries, find the best reasonable responses from the decentralized gadget set, and feed this back to the savvy contract. Framework parts find the item at a particular XY coordinate at a given time with nearly conviction. The precision score is known as the beginning chain score, and not entirely set in stone by a bunch of zero information verifications called evidence of beginning chain. Each part along the information way adds evidence of beginning to safeguard the classification of the data. Diviners have a decentralized agreement system, and this is acknowledged with the assistance of an unchanging public blockchain called XYO Principal Chain. XYO Principal Chain pool question exchanges, data gathered from soothsayers, and related score. XYO is skilled to connect with shrewd agreement fit, public blockchain like Ethereum, Heavenly, Cardano, Yos, and Neo. XYO application is accessible on the two iOS and Android. XYO estimate the network has a prepared to utilize SDK, Kotlin Center SDK, Quick Center SDK, and Hub.js Center SDK. By incorporating with the XYO organization, Internet business organizations can follow their shipment at each stage utilizing separate records. It will affirm shipment at each step as well as the conveyance point. It can give autonomously checked ways to the robot frameworks to stay away from crash and close the specific way and areas. XYO will help the clinical business by giving exact area information to crises, lessening blunders, and expanding clinic responsibility. The flight transportation industry can use the upsides of XYO to exactly follow baggage shipments to keep away from misfortunes and defers in conveyance. Outline of XYO token. XYO is the local digital money of the XY organization. This organization is represented by its local virtual cash. It is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token. XYO Mint piece gives shared impetuses in each phase of exact material assortment. It tends to be viewed as need might have arisen to interact with this present reality to check XY organizes. Clients need to hold adequate XYO tokens to place a question in the organization. A piece of the gas charge will be paid to all parts engaged with the assortment and offering legitimate responses. Geo-mining application permits clients to handily mine XYO cryptographic money on cell phones. Every one of the utility cases are given by XYO utility token. The symbolic deal was on 20WAC 2018 with 100 billion tokens. As to token appropriation, 40% were designated for environment development and showcasing, 35% for designing and research and development, 15% for profit network stage use, 5% caught wind of, and 5% for supporting Ethereum stage projects. XYO specialized investigation. In view of the most recent news from the cryptographic money market, worldwide signals and fears about Omicron burdened other digital currencies today. Most digital money costs are draining in the midst of shortcoming in the more dangerous resource class. The high unpredictability brought about the behemoths like Ethereum and BTC plunging for the ongoing exchanging meeting. To peruse more exhaustively about other digital forms of money, a nitty-gritty data by the specialists is generally prudent prior to putting resources into any coin. XYO cost today is exchanging at 1 cent, with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $4,320,457.08. The complete market cap is $228,912,579.03, with a circling supply of 12,844,821,266 XYO. The authentic information highlight a record-breaking high at 8 cents on the 6th of November 2021. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was on 13-walk 2020. Taking a gander at the previous year execution of the XYO cost graph, a vertical excursion of the coin started from November 2021 onwards. Beginning from December 2021, the cost of XYO showed a negative sign, and the XYO's cost has dropped to half of its most exorbitant cost, and the breakdown can't track down help at any level. The worldwide pessimism can likewise be a justification for the fall of the ongoing exchanging meeting. In the wake of taking a gander at the significant help and opposition levels, prompt obstruction is put at 1 cent, and any ascent from this level can take XYO cost to the opposition level at 2 cents. Bulls might look for an open door over this, and significant obstruction is put at 4 cents. Over this level, financial backers can imagine a drawn-out speculation choice. The significant specialized pointer shows that MACD is somewhat over the sign line, yet the candle design is deficient to help a pattern affirmation. RSI is set at 40.39. XYO cost is exchanging beneath its 50 MA, 20 MA, and 200 MA. XYO coin value expectation 2022. The cost estimate all through the year is profoundly bullish, and the greatest cost anticipated is 2 cents, and the base cost for the year is 2 cents for the present moment. In light of the XYO cost expectation 2022 and our own exploration, the typical cost is around 2 cents. XYO value expectation 2023. In view of the XYO cost gauge, a beginning at 3 cents is normal. There will be a slack after this, and XYO coins might move gradually in the year's last part of the year. XYO is supposed for most extreme worth to reach 3 cents, and the base worth is 2 cents, while the typical exchanging esteem visualized is 3 cents, according to our XYO cost expectation. Contrasted with the XYO current value, it will end up being a productive speculation in 2 years or less. XYO crypto value expectation 2024. According to specialized examination and XYO gauge, the cost of XYO might reach 3 cents in the principal quarter. According to XYO coin figure, the XYO cost might reach 3 cents continuously, and the greatest value level could reach 2 cents. The typical value XYO to reach 2 cents according to the cost forecast. Value development is slow contrasted with the earlier year, and cost hanging is normal between the year. Cost goes from 2 cents to 3 cents are normal. XYO value forecast 2025. XYO value expectations and specialized examination have expected an opening at 5 cents. XYO gauge a flood towards 4 cents toward the finish of 2025. To summarize 5-year XYO cost forecast, the normal cost is expanding and future outcomes are persuading. XYO is a wise venture for the long haul according to our XYO cost expectation. XYO value expectation 2026. According to the XYO figure, the future value forecasts of XYO is very appealing since the possibility